As a small artist with a small business, I have many different jobs at the same time. In addition to my part-time job that pays my bills, as an artist, first of all, I have to find the time and peace to paint. This includes not only larger projects, but also experimenting and playing in my sketchbook and seeking inspiration through research or visiting exhibitions, for example. There's also lots of admin work. I take care of my online shop and portfolio website, my additional Etsy shop, keep track of my inventory of products and packaging material, and prepare motifs to get printed, for example. Sometimes I also work on other handmade products such as clay pieces. Needless to say, I also have to take and edit product photos for my online shop. As nobody can order from my shop without knowing about it, I naturally also have to take care of marketing and content creation, which are jobs in themselves. Collecting ideas, filming, editing videos, and uploading them with suitable captions, etc. Today I'm filming another sketchbook tour, and when you're seeing this video, the sketchbook tour will be probably already up on my channel, so I'm going to link it for you if you're interested. Filming yourself, especially with a phone, is often not so easy and takes up more time. When someone orders from my shop, I pack the package with lots of love and then take it to the post office. To take part in exhibitions, I first have to do research and then send out applications. If it works out, I then have to prepare the exhibition. Finally, I always try to find physical stores that include my postcards in their assortment. As many emails are unfortunately not answered, it makes more sense to ask in person. That's why I always carry a set of postcards with me in case I spontaneously drop by somewhere. When I find stores, I also have to keep an eye on the inventory and write invoices. So it's not so easy to balance all of this. These postcards will be going to a physical shop in my uni town Aachen, to be precise to Caro's Lädchen, and she already took these two motifs last year in her shop. And now I will send her a couple more in another new motif, so I'm very excited that she was willing to keep me in her shop. Very thankful. And these are orders people placed in my own small online shop for my art and handmade pieces, and when I pack them, I will bring all of this to the mailbox. Very exciting, and I'm so thankful, especially because one person who ordered something from me ordered a couple of times in the past from me and supported me over the years, so that makes me very happy, very thankful. I went grocery shopping and I found those glow-in-the-dark stars, and I am more excited than I want to admit about putting these up, but I had those when I was a child and I thought it would still be cool to have them up on the ceiling above my bed, so I had to. At what point are we allowed to call ourselves an artist? This is a question I had in my mind in the past few years, because sometimes it felt like presumptuous to just call myself an artist, just like, who am I to say that? Which obviously seems to be a self-worth topic, but let me tell you that no one is coming to knock at your door and be like, hey, I'm giving you the title, now you're allowed to call yourself an artist because now you painted enough paintings, or now that you had your first, your 6th, your 27th exhibition, whatever. There is no milestone you have to reach to be allowed to call yourself an artist, because you inherently are an artist and you always have been and you always will be, no matter if you're art blocked, no matter what you achieved in a classical sense. You don't have to do exhibitions or sell your art or having a huge social media audience to be an artist, because an artist is what you are in your soul. So you don't need permission from anyone to call yourself an artist, because you are the only person you need permission from. So what are you waiting for? I did an art trade with another amazing artist I met on TikTok, and I'm so excited. I just got my envelope and I thought we definitely should open it together. And basically what an art trade is, we agreed that we both send each other some of our stuff. In this case, she chose 2 of my postcard motifs and I chose 2 of her stickers, and then we packed each other another few things as a surprise. Look at that. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, even more charms. I can't. She wrote that she even made some of those charms especially for me. That's so nice. Oh my god, this is so detailed. I'm very impressed. I myself tried shrink plastics before, and this is some advanced shit. And these are her stickers. Also the packaging, this is so nice. I really love that she included this one as well. This was one of my favorites too. This is one of the stickers I chose, and I think it's so nice that she included this one as a charm as well, because she knew that I really, really love that motif. Oh, I love the Spirited Away reference. Very cute. And this is the second one I chose. I like it a lot. It's so well done. Very nice. I love the style and the star details. Shocker. This is the last sticker. True, honestly. Oh wow, I love it. That's so nice. I'm so happy we did this together. Thank you so much. I did another art trade with someone who I met on Instagram, but she also lives in Berlin, so we did a lovely little in-person art trade. And this is her witch cat print, which is also available in her shop, and I think this postcard as well. And I really love the little beautiful worlds she creates in her illustrations. And I definitely have to find a frame for this one as well, but I find it pretty hard to find square-shaped frames in a bigger size at least. But I already framed this one. This is some protective washi tape. This rim here is black, but I painted it purple. It was like a light brownish color, and I think it will live in my bathroom. I thought this purple would go very well with the flowers. Very cool to have her amazing art pieces in my home now.